Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is End of India-Myanmar Border Free Movement. India's central government is considering ending the free movement regime with Myanmar. The change aims to address the misuse of the FMR, which insurgent groups have reportedly exploited for attacks on the Indian side before escaping back to Myanmar. It also aims to control illegal immigration and activities like drug and gold smuggling. Now let us know about free movement regime. It is a mutually agreed arrangement between the two countries that allows tribes living along the border to travel up to 16 km inside the other country without a visa. Under the FMR, every member of the hill tribes can cross over on production of a border pass with 1 year validity and can stay up to 2 weeks. This policy was started in 2018 as part of India's Act East policy. This decision comes amidst concerns about the FMR's misuse, especially following the 2021 Myanmar military coup. The Indian government is in the process of tendering for an advanced smart fencing system to cover 300 km of the India-Myanmar border. This new system is anticipated to start soon and is expected to enhance border security. This change would require individuals entering the border area to have a visa, a significant shift from the current visa-free movement policy.